Before you hear the rest of the talk, you have some time to look at questions 14 to 20. Now listen and answer questions 14 to 20.
Okay, so looking at the map of the central zone of Northwood, you can see Main Street running horizontally through the center and Park Avenue crossing it vertically on the right. Let's start with the commercial bin area. At present, shops leave their bins on the main road, but delivery vans often block them. So if you look at the top left of the map, there is a small side street leading up towards the clinic. We have designated the new area on that side street, just before you reach the clinic entrance. It is safer than the current situation. Next, we have the new recycling point. We already have one on Main Street at the corner of Church Lane on the left, but we are planning to install another one at the opposite end of Main Street. It will be located right at the junction where Main Street meets Park Avenue, on the corner facing the park. Then there is the cafe with restricted collection times. We have 2 cafes on the map. We have decided to keep the existing timetable for the Main Street Cafe. However, we have introduced new restrictions for the one located on Park Avenue, so the waste trucks will only be allowed to operate there before 7 a.m. That's the cafe just south of the junction. Moving on to the glass collection service. We are going to introduce a weekly service on Main Street. It will be located directly outside the post office. That's in the center of Main Street, on the north side, between the bakery and the junction. We also have a new no dumping sign. This is to stop people leaving large items near the green spaces. You'll find this sign on Park Avenue, positioned right at the entrance to the playground. It's on the east side of the road. Now regarding the compass collection site. We considered placing this on Park Avenue, but we concluded that it might attract pests to the park. So instead, we decided to locate it on Main Street. It is situated behind the community hall. You have to go down the little path at the side of the hall to get to it. Finally, we plan to install new litter bins. We think the best place for these is on Park Avenue. We are going to put them on the stretch of road north of the junction, on the left-hand side as you head up towards the top of the map. Okay, so that covers the main points.
That is the end of part 2. You now have half a minute to check your answers.